Ultimate Fiji Travel Packing List. What to pack for your next trip.
Planning a trip to Fiji.
Here's your ultimate packing guide to ensure a comfortable and enjoyable vacation. 1. Clothing. Pack lightweight, breathable clothing suitable for Fiji's tropical climate. Opt for natural materials like cotton or linen. Avoid heavy or synthetic fabrics. Respect local customs by choosing modest clothing that covers your shoulders and knees. Don't forget a light jacket for cooler evenings and comfortable shoes for various activities. 2. Beach gear. Fiji boasts beautiful beaches. Pack your swimsuit, beach towels, and a beach bag. Consider a beach umbrella for shade, a cooler bag for snacks, and a beach blanket for lounging. If you're into water sports, bring your snorkel mask, fins, and a wetsuit. 3. Sun protection. The tropical sun in Fiji can be intense. Pack sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30, a hat, and sunglasses. Stay hydrated and wear loose-fitting clothing that covers your skin for added protection. 4. Mosquito repellent. Protect yourself from mosquito bites with a repellent containing DEET or picaridin. Consider packing a mosquito net if you're sleeping in high-risk areas. Wearing long sleeves and pants during dawn and dusk can also help. 5. First aid kit. Accidents happen. Pack a small first aid kit with band-aids, adhesive tape, gauze, scissors, tweezers, and over-the-counter medications. Include any necessary medications for specific medical conditions or allergies. 6. Cash and credit cards. Fiji is predominantly cash-based. Bring a mix of cash and credit cards. Notify your bank of your travel plans to avoid card usage issues. Keep your cash and valuables safe with a money belt or hidden wallet. Remember, preparation is key to a stress-free vacation. Happy packing and enjoy your trip to Fiji. Book your Fiji travel with a specialist at Far and Away Adventures.